Every outdoor activity is fun. When you're out there with your family and friends for camping and outdoor get-together, entertainment brings life there. If you want to have a party for the whole night, a portable speaker can be the ultimate solution. Portable speakers are the easiest, most affordable way to spread the sound from your phone or tablet across a room, backyard, or beach blanket. But choosing the perfect portable speaker for you is a daunting task. That's why in today's video, we have rounded up the best 5 portable speakers that will let you enjoy great quality music on your everyday outdoor party. So without further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Meet the Delicat, a portable and wireless speaker that comes with a friendly carry handle and pack speakers big enough to deliver monstrous sound with the hardest hitting bass to match. It comes dual audio profiles including clear and warm, which are simultaneously perfect for music genres, and extra bass so that you can always enjoy quality songs at your outdoor party. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity, you can enjoy your favorite stream from your comfort zone. Besides, you can also connect your non-Bluetooth devices through the analog stereo mini jack input. Inside the case, it has a powerful 2600 mAh battery offering up to 24 hours of untethered playback, so push the power button and rock at the party without worrying about the battery life. Its integrated leather carry strap makes it easy and comfortable to bring along the Delicat, and the durable 3-layer design with a core of woven nylon makes it safe to do so. Make your outdoor party more enjoyable and fun with the Delicat portable speakers, providing Chromecast audio performance without worrying about the battery life. The Tribit Stormbox is an ultra-portable wireless speaker that provides amazing sound quality at your outdoor party so that you can enjoy streamlining music every time. It is packed with 24-watt speakers that deliver 360-degree full-range sound, and through X-Bass technology, its dual passive radiators work together to enhance every beat by giving bass a boost. With advanced Bluetooth 4.2 technology, it provides completely wireless connectivity with more than 66 feet range, and with wireless daisy chain, you can also connect to a Tribit at the same time to enjoy amplified music. Made from sturdy materials with IPX7 rating, this 1.7-pound device is durable and water repellent so that without any worry, you can take it at any beach or pool party. This speaker has a 2600 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery that supports up to 20 hours of continuous playback so that you can enjoy streamlining music on every outdoor party. Enjoy every music with more fun and hassle-less with the Tribit Stormbox, an ultra-portable speaker that is constructed with durable materials and water-resistant features, making it an ideal outdoor companion for you. A flagship wireless speaker from LG that is tailored by audio grandmasters Meridian and LG together. Now meet the Piggy7 X-Boom from LG, a high-definition portable speaker that allows you to enjoy the streams at outdoor parties. Its dual passive radiators act like mini bass drivers that not only provide an outstanding bass but also more energy to the party. Thanks to its dual bass boost and tweeters, which make it a complete audio package. It comes with dual play connection, Bluetooth connectivity and voice command for remote control, which will enhance your audio experience pretty smoothly. It is water and weather resistant with IPX5 rating, allowing you to continue the party in any weather condition without even worrying. The LG X-Boom PK7 is the big brother of the X-Boom Go family, featuring multicolor lighting and 22 hours of long battery life, designed to keep the party going on long into the night. If you don't want to have your party interrupted with those backdated speakers having low playback time, go for this white LG X-Boom PK7 right now. Take the party with you wherever you go without any worries with the JBL Flip 5 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker that can deliver powerful audio performance without any kind of worry. With 20 watt of audio power and its racetrack shaped driver, this speaker delivers high audio output so that you can enjoy quality music outdoor every time. There is also a Party Boost button that helps you pair two Party Boost enabled speakers to create a stereo pair or link over 100 Party Boost compatible speakers in mono. Made with durable fabric material and rugged rubber housing, this speaker is designed to be safe inside or outdoors. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can take the speaker to the beach or pool without fear of getting it wet. The Flip 5 boasts a 12-hour battery life and has a USB-C charging port, meaning it goes from flat to fully juiced in just 2.5 hours. If you want a strong wireless audio experience in an outdoor-friendly design that you can customize to your liking, then the JBL Flip 5 speaker is the right option for you. Keep your music playing with the all-new Sonos Move, a brilliant, smart and portable speaker that will enhance your outdoor and indoor listening experience. Equipped with two digital amplifiers, one downward-firing tweeter along with one mid-woofer, this portable speaker offers punchy bass, wide soundscape, and automatic TruePlay tuning, allowing you to experience a perfectly balanced sound no matter where you are listening to. Protected by a hard-wearing, shock-resistant case along with IP56 weather-resistant rating, the Sonos Move can handle accidental drops or bumps and stands up to dust particles and water sprays pretty easily. Control your speaker with a voice command and use it as an Amazon Alexa speaker to play your favorite track without even touching the speaker, so that you can control it without leaving your comfort zone every time. Weighing just around 6.6 pounds, the speaker packs a 2500 mAh battery in its large rubberized base, which serves up to 11 hours of playback time and takes 3 hours to recharge, allowing you to enjoy a long-lasting music session while you are enjoying your pool parties. If you are looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that provides perfectly balanced sound and want to enhance your outdoor and indoor listening experience, then the Sonos Move speaker is the best choice for you. So that was all about the best 5 portable speakers for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.